From Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, DIY-HA.com, and this is what I'm now using exclusively for my home automation server. And it's really simple, it's just a Raspberry Pi. And for those of you who don't know, a Raspberry Pi is basically a tiny Linux computer on a single circuit board. And it costs about $35. And you get all kinds of things on here. So you basically have a full Linux operating system that's running on the SD card. It's powered off of a 5-volt supply, so it uses very little electricity. You have a graphical output here with an HDMI plug. You can do all kinds of things also with audio, so it has pretty good audio processing. And then over here you can see it's got networking, so you can plug it into a home network if you want to, or you can do what I've done and basically plug in a USB Wi-Fi dongle and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. And one of the other things that I'm not showing here, but that what you can do with a Raspberry Pi is connect kind of low-level electronics to it. So you can read from sensors and do that kind of thing, like what you would do with an Arduino board. And this works great for a home automation server because, again, you're running a full Linux operating system. So you can run Python scripts, you can interface with other devices on your network, like a Philips Hue hub. And you can, be pulling data from the internet, but you also have the ability to do graphical display if you want to. You can plug it into a monitor and plug in a keyboard and mouse via the USB over here and really use it like a full graphical interface computer to do the actual programming. And then because it is a Linux server too, though, you can connect to it via SSH and other things like that on your home network. It's tiny. You can put it anywhere you want in the house because, again, it's wireless and uses very little power because you're just using that 5-volt supply. And I find that this really works great as a very simple home automation server for running scripts like my Bidgely electrical usage scraper that I demonstrated in another video. You can run X10 kinds of things like HeyU. And really just build in a lot of functionality on a very inexpensive board that's not going to use a lot of power and that you can place anywhere in your home.